Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Transportation Minister Miri Regev, and other Israeli officials touring Tel Aviv's Ben Gurion Airport on Monday, reviewing the new coronavirus health protocols that will allow Israelis to get back up in the air and foreign visitors to arrive here. Netanyahu hailing the welcome return of the tourism industry.
אני עשיתי עכשיו סיור מהיר בשדה התעופה לקראת פתיחת התעופה, סידורי ביטחון, סידורי בריאות, זה כמובן ניסוי פיילוט, הוא קשור בתחלואה.
The new regulations coming in a framework to be presented by the end of the month that'll hopefully allow controlled small groups of tourists from so-called green countries, or countries with low COVID-19 infection rates, to come to Israel without having to quarantine. Health Ministry Deputy Director General Itamar Grotto adding that soon Israel may even roll out fast coronavirus tests with on-the-spot results to even further reduce obstacles to travel. But don't buy your tickets just yet. While the Health Ministry has now exempted visitors from 20 green countries from having to quarantine upon arrival here, Israelis coming from a relatively red nation do not benefit from that same luxury. Only Bulgaria, Croatia, and Greece are allowing Israeli passport holders to arrive, and providing they undergo COVID-19 testing both before and after their flight. 15 Israeli passengers having already been booted from their plane to Greece after their tests were deemed unsatisfactory. Meanwhile, with rising infections ahead of the coming holiday season, coronavirus czar Roni Gamzu will reportedly be recommending more extreme regulations at this week's virus cabinet meeting, including reducing the size of groups in private events and houses of worship, and allowing only the nuclear family to celebrate together, while possibly enforcing supposed mini lockdowns. Infections in Israel again rising by roughly 1,700 overnight, the total now reaching well over 95,000, 23,400 actively sick, and the death toll rising to nearly 700.